Hey there, welcome to back a brand new video once again, and as you can see right now I'm staying before a massive pond. So the question is coming in this video that why I have come in this place. So truly speaking, there's a lot of and a number of reasons behind this, but before I'm going to tell you why I have come here, will you share with me how is your practice going on? I hope that your practice is going on very lovely, greatly, cordially, and you're really speaking every single day, as well as you're practicing and speaking in English 24 hours per day. So truly speaking, today in this video I have come and I'm making this video in this beautiful pond and this beautiful nature after a very long time. So truly speaking, that's why I have to share with you that today I have come here in this place. You're gonna guess that why I have come here. Yes, I have come here just feel the nature and make an English blog video just for all of you guys. As well as I have come in this video also in this pond and making this type of video in front of this pond just for practicing and giving you a brand new video every single day. Truly speaking, as you know, we have a YouTube channel and Facebook page where we upload every single day blog video and some conversation video, also some practice video. And through making this English blog video, we're trying to know you, especially we're trying to inform you that we are really here, and also we are hankering after this language because this language have some special strategy that can really build our career besides our studies. So my dear friends, if you don't know what's the importance of learning this language, just follow and comment in my comment box next video I'll make about this. And truly speaking, first of all, really share with me that what's the benefits of learning this language English. That I'll make later. So right now I will tell you one big and secret tips and tricks that can literally help you to speak English fluently as well as to become too much fluent speaker in this language. That is, please practice every single day 24 hours. Truly speaking, practice will tell you whether you can speak or whether you're not. Yes, my dear friends, if you practice every single day 24 hours, then you're gonna learn this language English very well. If you don't practice, that English is really a hill, a mountain in yourself. So try to practice every single day 24 hours and capture everything, like memorize some structures as well as sentences and a lot of vocabularies. Through making this type of English blog video, it can also really help you very much. Like if you make this type of English blog video every single day, it will really help you to become too much confident in this language, as well as it will really help you to speak English fluently in front of people. And talking about the conversation, it will really help you to talk to another people either face to face, as well as it will really help you to make a strong community, strong communication skills as well. So my dear friends, also I want to tell you, if you want to improve your body language, also if you want to build your confidence, so make this type of English vlog within public place, not your home. Like in your home there is no person, and first of all, if you're really beginner, so if you're from village or city, come this type of nature, it will really help you to express your feeling very well, and you can say speaking in English rapidly. But if you are really too much intermediate or advanced level, go to public place, speak English through this. You can speak and you can make a better place as well as better speaking skills in yourself. So my dear friends, these are the tips and tricks that I'm following since 2023 when I started class 6 and I started my English journey. It's all about being 2 years, and we're gonna celebrate 2 years of uploading video and since 2023. So please, my dear friends, pray for me, pray for my sister, I also pray for all the learners so that they can learn this language English. Also inform me if you want to talk to me or if you have any question regarding to this video, regarding to me, as well as regarding to spoken English. Please let me know in the comment box. See you later on a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.